Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the physical connection and that the device is powered. Check cables, card seating, or USB click. Once done, make sure your account has storage permissions and that the OS can mount devices. You should open the System Disk Utility or Device Manager to see identifiers and status messages. If a media item appears with a name or size, note its mount point. You will use that in the next step to inspect file system details. Now you inspect the file system and logs to find why media might be invisible. Run the appropriate repair tool, chkdsk on Windows or fsck on Unix, and watch for reported errors. Once that finishes, check system logs and demask for device errors, timeouts, or mounting failures. These messages explain the why behind read errors. Then perform a small read test. List root directories, open a tiny file, or copy a 1 kilobyte file to confirm read/write functionality before proceeding to recovery. Finish by attempting safe recovery and remount procedures. Eject and reinsert the media, unmount then remount, or run a targeted recovery tool such as test disk. You should copy any readable files to a separate drive right away. Backups prevent data loss. If the device still fails, swap cables or use a different reader to isolate hardware faults, and consider professional recovery if data is critical. One quick troubleshooting tip. If logs show I/O errors, stop writes immediately to avoid further corruption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.